a big difference in air conditioners. Here at Friedrich, we take 7 extra steps to give you quiet, dependable cool. More cool for your money.
From the very beginning, Friedrich room air conditioners are put together better to last longer, to give you big capacity cooling, low operating cost, and quieter operation. Then, after making it better to begin with, Friedrich and only Friedrich takes 7 extra steps to give you the best air conditioner value for your money.
That's how we do it at Friedrich. It's put together better.